Hey guys, Akia Smith here. I'm going to do a bike check for you. Okay, start from the front to the back. At the front we got Maxxis grifters, 2.10s, very nice. Front and back. I've got Salt Plus wheel set, 38 holes, front hub, female front hub. I got 2012 We the People forks, matte black. I've got Salt headset, Salt Plus stem, and I've got my Glam bars, 8.5 rise, very nice. I got ODI bar ends, Verd grips, and to the frame, got a 2012 We the People Justice frame, matte black. Seat, I've got a Cult Duff seat, pretty comfortable. Pedals, I've got Colony Fantastic pedals. For cranks, I've got Salt Plus cranks and a Salt Plus bottom bracket. I've got a Salt Plus chain and a 25 tooth Salt Plus sprocket. The back, I've got a Salt Plus 38 hole male wheel. Nice, only just got them, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Okay, I'ma try it out. I'ma try it out. Okay, I'ma try it out. I'ma try it out. Okay, I'ma try it out. I'ma try it out. Okay, I'ma try it out. I'ma try it out.